How to fix unknown USB device, port reset failed error on Windows. 1. Basic tips. Restart your device. Update your Windows. 2. Launch the Scan for Hardware Changes option in Device Manager. 3. Use the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe device diagnostic. 4. Disable Fast Startup in Control Panel. 5. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Uninstall then reinstall all the USB controllers. 7. Disable the USB selective suspend setting. 8. Update your BIOS.